Vroom, vroom, vroom. Let's ride. I asked my buddy, wanna race tonight? He looked at me sideways, said, yeah. I laughed so hard I nearly dropped my fries. He revved his engine, shouted, Kawasaki! Honda, gonna take you farther. Suzuki, feeling kinda groovy. Kawasaki, wild and wacky. Yamaha, yeah, Yamaha, ha, ha. Cruising downtown, neon lights so bright. Girl at the corner said, Suzuki, you tonight. I said, only if you ride with style and speed. She winked real quick and said,